How patients select which dentist to go for their dental treatments. I'm sure you would like to know this. Hi, this is Dr. Sujit Pardeshi, international speaker, bestseller author, and your practice growth expert. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 things which every patient look for before visiting a dentist. So let's start. The first important thing is they know about you. They try to know about you, your work, how you are as a dentist, your skills and everything. Now, how do they know about this? If it is an offline thing, it is the word of mouth. And if it is online, naturally, it is online reviews, right? So if you are practicing in a rural or a small area or maybe a small city or town, then definitely the offline word of mouth is more important. Think about it. Even if you want to take any of your family members to any physician or any other doctor or medical professional, I'm sure even you normally land up asking to someone to take the feedback, to take the review. Or if you're practicing in a bigger city, if you stay in a metro or Cosmo city, naturally you try to Google that person, isn't it? So similarly, word of mouth in the offline areas and Google reviews, online search in the bigger places is the first thing which people do when they want to visit a dentist. The second thing, and even if you're in a small places, I'll tell you something, this will surprise you. People look for your online presence. Yes, believe it or not. Nowadays, I'm sure you will agree that everybody is online and everybody is in their mobile phones. So even if you practice in a smaller places, do not underestimate the importance of your online presence. Because people would definitely like to see your reviews, Google My Business page. Not just that, if you have the website, and if you have website, what kind of content you have on your website. Then, especially in the bigger cities, people would definitely like to go to your Instagram profile or Facebook page of your clinic and they would like to see your credentials. You know what actually your potential patient is trying to get is the confidence whether I am choosing the right dentist or not. So they want to see if you are expert enough to do their treatment. They want to see if you have done any such cases in the past. They want to see if they are going at the right place. So after that word of mouth or that feedback and review, they search for your online presence. And trust me, this is applicable even to smaller places. The third thing which they see or try to get the feedback about is your treatment charges. Normally, in the smaller places, what and how they do it is they ask their friends or colleagues, those who have visited a dentist, about the treatment charges as well. And the normal kind of feedback which they get is like the dentist is very expensive, or maybe the dentist is expensive but the work is good. If the people are not happy with the treatment charges, they will be like, it's too expensive and do not go there. Or the charges are very reasonable. The charges are okay and you can go, whatever. So this is in the offline thing. Now, when it comes to online, you know what people do? They normally call your reception and ask, how much is your consultation fees? How much you charge for scaling? How much you charge for teeth cleaning or teeth whitening? How much you charge for a root canal treatment? Isn't it? Or what are your charges for implant? I'm sure your receptionists do get this kind of calls very often. So the third thing, this way or that way, they want to know whether you are reasonable enough for them. Now this is why they focus so much about money or the charges is because the trust factor has not yet been developed. Okay, so once they come to your practice, once they are absolutely okay with your treatment charges, once you add the massive value to them, after doing that consultation or maybe the treatment, then charges does not remain a big issue. But then in the beginning, it definitely is a very important consideration before going to your clinic. The fourth thing, especially in the places, if you have your clinic in a very prime locality, if it is in the small places, maybe in the market area or in the cities, I'll tell you what, parking is a big problem. So people definitely look for the convenience, people definitely look for the parking facility, and if your clinic is very easily accessible and approachable for them, if it will be comfortable for them to come to your clinic very easily. So that is the fourth thing. Because see, everybody wants comfort in life and there's nothing wrong in it. So going just to a good dentist is not enough, but that entire experience right from their house to the end of the treatment or that visit should be pleasant and comfortable. Everybody wants that, right? And the fifth thing is they try to get more and more information about you from anywhere they can. It may be your next door shop, which is there, to the next door of your clinic, whatever. So they try to gather as much as information, not just about you, but their dental problem, maybe through Google, maybe through YouTube. What exactly is going to happen, because all of them have the fear of unknown when it comes to dental visit. So these are the 5 things which people look for, and then they decide whether to visit you or not. So I hope you like this video, you like this content. Put your comments in the comment box below. How did you find it and how useful this is for you to consider your next action step in order to build your successful practice through this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, put that notification bell on, do not miss any of my videos, and I'll see you in the next video again. Thank you.